Hi guys, this video is just going to be about Chrome on the Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini. Just to look at what you get with it. So once you've downloaded it onto your phone itself, it'll open up like this. Of course, you select the new tab to open a new tab, and it brings you up whatever you've viewed in these little boxes here. Of course, you've got the recently closed down the bottom as well. Starting from top to bottom now, so you got the address bar on the top there, and of course you've got the refresh button there on the to the right rather of the address bar. Of course, to the far right of the address bar, what you get is a number of tabs that you got open, so you can select this and then you can go in and open another tab and view a different website. Once you select it again, it will show you both, so then you can obviously move them up. The way you close each tab is either hitting the cross there, or you can just swipe away like that, and then you'll bring forward whatever's left. Of course, going into it now, if we just select a recently viewed website here, it brings the websites up like this. If the website has a mobile version, it will open that first. You select the menu and then you select request a desktop site, and then it'll send a signal to the website to say someone wants to see the desktop version. So it is exactly how you see it on your normal PC. Of course, when you go into your settings here, it gives you the normal options in terms of settings, so you can set the search engine autofill options here. You've also got a credit card option here, which it auto fills credit card numbers. If I just bring that closer, so I tend to just put them in myself just as a security point of view, but of course that option is available to yourself. Another thing is you can save the passwords that you have for different emails and other accounts that you have on the web. Moving down to the advanced section, you've got privacy, accessibility, content settings, bandwidth management, and developer tools. I would only go into developer tools if you really know what you're doing. It's something that, if you just say here, there's a few options here for what you would need if you are developing. Now going into privacy, just the normal options that you get. One of the most noticeable features that stand out is the do not track. Now if you select this and turn it on, it basically gives you the ability to kind of for websites to not kind of track where you've come from and what you've been looking at on your browser history. You may notice that on some websites, if you've been searching for a certain product, they may display ads to do with that certain product. Now this is to do with them looking into your browser history. So obviously you can turn that off or on. Of course, you on the bottom there, just before we get out of this of the privacy, you've got the clear browsing data. Before, you used to have to type in a sort of a code on the address bar which would go into this feature, but now they made it a little bit easier. So you just have to select that button. It brings you up all these options to clear, and of course you can do it by hitting the clear, checking the box rather, and hitting the clear first. We're just going to cancel out of that and go into the accessibility. Here you have a preview text up the top there, so as you're moving the text scaling bar there, the text will then go bigger or smaller, whatever you want to do there. And of course, some websites stop you from zooming in. Now you can prevent that from happening by selecting that box there. Going down into the content settings, it's just really the normal stuff that you get on the normal Chrome, either using it on the PC or using it on a premium phone like the Samsung Galaxy S3 or Note 2. Going also down to bandwidth management. Now this is a clever feature which allows you to kind of preload web pages when you have a Wi-Fi connection, just to save your data. I've only set it to do this when you've got Wi-Fi. When I've got Wi-Fi on rather, but of course you've got the options to always do it or to never do it at all. So that was just a quick look at Chrome for the Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini. Thanks for watching, guys.